Good morning, 10th Standard. We were doing GST. Now we are starting with question number 16. I've made the chain here. Mr. Batra has purchased from somebody, and the cost is at what price he purchased. 2 lakh rupees he has paid, and then he sells 50% of his stock at 1,30,000. 50% of his stock he sells at 1,30,000 and GST is 5%. We have to find out how much is excess GST, how much GST is not paid, or we can say how much excess GST is paid by Mr. Batra to the government. Okay, what is the excess GST? So again, for excess GST it's the same. First we calculate input GST, that is 5% of this. We get that as 10,000 rupees. So out of this 10,000, CGST is 5,000, SGST is 5,000. Then output GST is 5% of this. 5% of 1,30,000. So we get it as 6,500. So this 6,500 you can divide it. Again CGST is 3250 and SGST is again 3250. This can be divided. Input GST we calculated, output GST. Now this is of 50% stock and this is of full stock. So how much is the difference? That gives you the excess GST which the person has already paid. Input, excess input, how much he has given, that is 3,500. And when we divide into two parts, so CGST is 1,750 and SGST is 1,750. Then comes your 17th question. A dealer purchases from the wholesaler and sells to the customer in MP. Both are MP, and here it is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay. Now actually, children, there's a table given in ML Agarwal book. A table is given in ML Agarwal book with which we proceed with GST. That table I'll post you today in your groups. Okay, that table I'll send you, and if you have ML Agarwal book, you can consult that. I think on the second or third page only they have given the table where input GST and output GST, they are showing that if it is IGST on one side, then how to proceed with. Okay, excuse me. Now see, here this is interstate, and here it is intrastate. Here it is between two different states. So this is IGST and here it is in the same state. Okay, first part is we have to find IGST, CGST, SGST for this dealer. Second part is cost price of the customer. I think cost price of the customer you can do it. That is selling price of the customer plus 18% of 27,000. So that gives you the cost price of the customer. This is your second part. Now for first part, IGST, CGST and this. Now look very carefully. For this question and all the questions further, we need to consult that table. It's given in ML Agarwal book. What is given? Now here if it is IGST, here you can make out that it is interstate transaction, Maharashtra to MP. So this is interstate. For interstate we have IGST, right? And for this, for intrastate, we have CGST and SGST. CGST and SGST here we have. Okay. Now there's a table, as I told you, in which they have given when input is IGST and output is these two. Input is this and output of the dealer is these two. Then how to proceed? To proceed, it is first IGST we balance with CGST. Balancing means we take the difference. We take this difference. Normally also when you calculate GST, what you do? You take the difference of input and output. But here we have only one IGST and here we have CGST, SGST. Right? So first you have to take the difference of these two. IGST cancels with CGST. That is, we take the difference of these two. Then whatever answer we get, that answer's difference is taken with this. First this difference, then answer, and this difference gives you the final GST paid by the dealer. This table today itself I'll send you in the group. You can go through the table. They have given clearly IGST input and output. Okay, that I'll discuss also in the next class on Friday. Properly we'll discuss. If today we have time, then we'll do it now. Now here IGST for the dealer. IGST, first of all, for the dealer we calculate. IGST for the dealer is 18% of 22,000. That we have calculated. 18% of 22,000, that is 2960. Now output GST here will be 18% of 27,000, that is 4860. It is divided into two parts, CGST 2430, SGST 2430, right? Now first of all, as I told you, we have to take the difference of this with CGST. IGST with CGST. This difference you have to take 3960 minus 2430. That difference gives you 1530. Right? This difference is given 1530. Now whatever answer we get, this is to be balanced with SGST. This answer with this we subtract and then we get the final, because here it was SGST was greater, so this remaining is SGST. 900 is left, which is paid to the state. So here IGST is 0 by the dealer, do not pay any IGST. CGST is 0, SGST is 900. This is how we calculate the GST of the dealer. And one thing more, children, you have to do RS Agarwal, no doubt. But along with it, for GST, each one of you should do all the questions of GST from ML Agarwal. All should do the questions of GST from ML Agarwal also. There are, I think, only 10 to 12 questions. They are not too many, because major types are given in that only. This book do not cover up all the types, and the last question starting from 21 to 24 I am not doing with you, because first of all they are difficult in the sense that they have mixed two things. They are interstate and intrastate. They are mixing the transactions and then giving in those questions. Normally we do not get those questions for the ICSE. I do not want that you should be confused with that. So first, for some time, let's leave those 5 questions. When you come in the end, like October, November, when you are thorough with this topic, then we will proceed with those 5 questions. Okay. Normally in ICSE, we do not get such questions, but still if they are in the syllabus, we will do it. But now concentrate on what we have done till now. What is GST? That I am explaining you. Listen carefully. First of all, I am telling you complete the remaining questions till 17th I have done. 18th, 19th, that I will discuss with you. I have already done those questions. I will discuss, but first today I want to give you the gist of the topic so that you can proceed with the questions from ML Agarwal. Okay, each one of you. After this, we have a class on Friday. On Friday, I will complete the topic. Plus, each one of you, by that time, complete the questions of ML Agarwal and let me know your doubts. Okay. So your doubts plus these 3 questions we can discuss on that day. Now what is the gist of this topic? First thing is that they will ask you the price paid by the customer. Price paid by the customer. That is always the cost price of customer that we get in the previous chain. Like here, whatever is this price paid taken by the dealer, so that is the price paid by the customer. So this price plus cost price of the customer plus GST percent of cost price. Like cost price supposes 10,000 and rate of GST is 18%. So we take it 10,000 plus 18% of 10,000. So that is cost price plus GST percent of cost price. That is the price paid by the customer. And they can also ask you how much tax, GST, is paid in the complete chain to the government. In complete chain to the government. In complete chain to the government, how much percent of GST goes? That is the tax paid by customer. That is the tax paid by the customer. Okay. Then third thing, in between the chain, like here we have wholesaler, here we have dealer, then here we have customer. Now in between the chain, when they ask you how much tax is paid by the dealer, how much GST is paid by the dealer, if they ask you in total, then it is simply the tax paid by the customer. If it is in between the chain, they are asking how much tax is paid by the dealer, then that is output tax minus input tax. Okay. Output means this tax calculated from here, from the selling price. Here selling prices you have calculated. So 18% of this or whatever. Output tax minus input tax. Here you get output tax, here input. We subtract and we get the GST paid by the dealer. Now this is when it is intrastate. When it is intrastate. That means in between the state when it is. So directly it is output tax minus input tax. Now fourth case is when it is wholesaler to dealer and dealer to customer, but it is, suppose here it is interstate and here it is intrastate, just as we did now, intrastate. Okay. As I told you, there is a table given in ML Agarwal. I don't remember that table completely, but I am just giving you an idea. Here suppose it's input tax, here it is output. Two columns they have made. If input is IGST, then they give you IGST, CGST, somewhat like this, SGST. I may be wrong because I'm just taking an example. I'm just telling you that suppose it's like this. It's written input IGST, output. This type table, 2-3 points are given. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, 3 points are given. This means, how to understand the table that I am showing you, these values can be different also. Okay, have you understood? I think so. Everybody has got it. These values can be different in the table. I do not remember the table. I am just writing the values as it is. But how to understand the table, that I am telling you, so that you can proceed with the questions of ML Agarwal. Now here input is IGST. Now as we come to know here, it's interstate. So here input is IGST. So this, how to understand, how does this mean input and output? What does this mean? That means IGST first you have to balance with IGST. If IGST is here also and here also, then IGST we balance with IGST. That means we subtract both. Okay. Then after that, if CGST and SGST are also there, or suppose let's take that if only IGST, with it on the output we have CGST and SGST, then what we do, how we cancel? IGST first with CGST we subtract. Whatever answer we get, that is subtracted again from this, and we get the final tax paid by the dealer. With this, you have to proceed all the questions of ML Agarwal. Your doubts will be taken. Okay. Now, I think one more question we can do, 18th question also. 18th question, wholesaler in Jaipur, Rajasthan, sells to dealer in Ratnam, MP, and here he sells to a customer in Delhi. Selling prices both are written. Here he purchases at 2000. Okay. Now, the complete chain according to the information given in the book I have made. Now we first of all, this is easy. Total cost of the Delhi customer, that will be 3000 plus 18% of 3000. So that everybody can do. I am leaving it to you. Now here total cost of Delhi customer, this we have done. IGST, CGST, SGST of dealer in Ratlam. This we have to calculate of the dealer in Ratlam. Now here in this case, as you can see, here this side, Rajasthan, MP, this is interstate. Jaipur, Rajasthan to MP. This is interstate and this is also interstate. Okay, so both are interstate. That means here also IGST, input is also IGST, output is also IGST. So simple, they will balance with each other. That means we have to take the difference. So input IGST, output IGST, then final IGST we subtract and we get there's no CGST and SGST because both are interstate. Okay, till 18th question here, 3 questions of this plus ML Agarwal. As many questions are there, you do it and then your doubts you can send me. Okay, that we'll take up on Friday. After sending the doubts, be patient enough to wait. Is that clear to everybody? It's not that continuously you are sending the message with the question marks and all as if I am sitting with a mobile in my hand only. So after sending your doubts, wait there, leave your doubt, continue the questions with which you know. Okay, leave the doubt, and these doubts I am not going to take up today itself or whenever you send. I will discuss in the next class only. No answer you will get after sending your doubt. Just send your doubt. On Friday in the class they will be cleared. I hope I am clear to everybody. Thank you.